to take readings from a micrometer screw gauge. First, we'll say a micrometer screw gauge is used to measure the external diameter of round objects. That's one used to measure what? External diameter. External diameter of round object. Then two, used to measure what? Thickness. Used to measure thickness of a material. So that's by the way, but we are here to see how to take readings from a micrometer screw gauge. So just like in that of vernier caliper, micrometer screw gauge has two calibrations. The first one is the main scale reading. The first calibration here is for the main scale word reading, or you can call it the sleeve. So the next calibration is what we call the circular vernier scale reading, or you can call it the thimble reading. So there are two sets of scales. So this main scale reading is in millimeters, while this vernier scale reading, this thimble reading, is in 0.01 millimeters. That means what I'm saying, each of these calibration on this scale is what? 0.01 millimeters. That means this can measure to the accuracy of 0.01 millimeters. So while on this main scale it measures in millimeters, like here is 0 millimeters. This smaller calibration here is 0.1, means 0.5 millimeters. Second calibration here is 0.5 millimeters. 0.5. This third one is what? 1 millimeter. Then this second one here is 1. The second one here is 1.5 millimeters, and then this third one here will be 2 millimeters. So that's how you read it. So each of these bar in the main scale, reads 0.5 millimeters. So here is 0, there will be 0.5, here will be 1, 1.5, 2. If there was another small bar here, that would be 2.5, then another long bar, that would be 3. So just as we always read from vernier scale, what we do is we take the main scale reading, then find the one that coincides with the thimble reading, and then what we do, we add the main scale reading and the thimble reading. So what is the reading on this main scale now? The reading on this main scale is, this is 1, this is 2, is 2 millimeters. So our main scale reading equals to what? 2 millimeters. Assuming there was a smaller bar here, the bar continued. This 0, this 1, this one will be 2. Assuming there was a smaller bar, this would be 2.5 millimeters. But it's not up to, seeing the bar is not there, we cannot just fix it on our own. We only take readings of what we're given. So this 2 millimeters. Then we come on the thimble side of it to see what the reading is. Now, each of these thimble, like we said, reads 0.01 millimeters. So if here is 20, this first one is 20, this one will be, did I say 20? No, if this place is 0.20, it's not 20. What this scale actually means is what? 0.20 millimeters. The thimble reading reads in 2 decimal places, while the main scale reading reads in one whole number place. In whole number. So here you have 0.20 millimeters. So the next calibration will be what? 0.21 millimeters, 0.22, 0.23, 0.24, 0.25. So this is 0.20, 0.25. So now what you do is you take your main scale reading and then find the thimble reading that coincides with this line from the main scale. Like look at it, look at the line that coincides here. It is this calibration that coincides with the main scale reading. So you read what is this reading on this thimble side. So here is 0.20, 0.21, 0.22. So the reading here is what? 0.22 millimeters. So therefore the reading on this micrometer screw gauge, total reading will be what? Main scale plus thimble, or you say vernier scale, equals to our main scale reading is 2 millimeters and this one is 0.22 millimeters. So our total reading is what? 2.22 millimeters. 2.22 millimeters. So that's how to take reading from a micrometer screw gauge. Let's take another example in the next video. Hello everyone. We run weekly curriculum-based online classes for Year 7 to Year 12 for West African students and Grade 9 to Grade 12 for Canadian students. We also offer prep classes for certificate students, that is IGCSE, WASC, BECE. Join our WhatsApp group to have a week free trial class on mathematics and physics.